$200 short. My card was due Friday. In the hall, they didn't have any work for 3 days. That was me. I was staring down at my Home Depot bill that I couldn't cover. It was all because one slow week, it gutted my check. 30 years in the trades and a dry week can still catch you with your pants down.
One pair of pants later.
Happens to everybody, but here's exactly how to make that money back this week. The fastest cash first. And number 4, cash in your hand by tomorrow. Tack weld that like button for me, fellas, and let's get into it. If you click this, you probably don't need the long story. You just need the money, and you need it this week. So I'm going to respect that time and get right to it. But real quick, so you know I'm not talking down to you, I've been exactly where you are. Slow week at the hall, short check, a bill I couldn't cover. It happens to good, hard-working guys all the time. There's no shame in it. There's none. But here's how this works. This isn't a list of businesses to build someday. You don't have someday right now. You've got till Friday. So I ranked 5 ways to make real cash by how fast the money hits your hand. Number 1, you can have cash today, like this afternoon. The last one's a little different. That's the one that makes sure you never get caught like this again. That's the one that actually matters. And every single one, you can start with nothing but the phone in your hand and the skills you've already got. No money down, and that's the whole point. So let's stop the bleeding first. Guys, real quick, I put together a totally free 2026 Blue Collar Resource Guide. It's got links to getting started in union jobs, free apprenticeships, and grants to start your own small business. It covers all 50 states. It's totally free. It's my gift to you. Just hit the link down in the description and grab your copy. While you're at it, do me a favor and tap that subscribe button and notification bell. It's also free to you, and it helps us bring 3 fresh new videos to you every single week. I sure appreciate it. Now let's get into it. Number 1, and this one's my favorite, because you get paid twice for the same pickup. So here's the play. People are desperate to get rid of big, heavy junk before the weekend. The dead fridge, the old washer, the rusted out hot tub. How about that mower that won't start? It's still sitting there in the garage, and they can't lift it, they can't haul it, and the city won't take it at the curb. So they'll pay you just to make it disappear. So you post tonight, I'll haul off your old appliances, hot tub, mowers, garage junk. I can come by today, cash. You'll have calls by the morning, I almost guarantee it. You charge $50 to $150 a load just to take it. That's payday number 1, cash on the spot. But here's the innovative part. It's where the real money hides. You don't drive it straight to the dump, you sort it first. The dead washer, the old grill, the busted mower, that's metal. Strip it or take the whole thing to the scrapyard, and that's payday number 2 the same day. And anything that runs or almost runs, a mower that just needs a pull cord or a carb re-up, a mini fridge that works fine, you clean it up and relist it that afternoon. Payday number 3 off the same load you already got paid to take. So one pickup, you got paid $100 to grab it, turns into 2, and then $300 by the end of the day, and it costs you nothing but gas and a couple straps you already own. This isn't hauling junk to the dump for a flat fee like everybody else. It's targeting the loads with metal and reselling them. So every stop pays you 2 or 3 times. You get paid to take it, then you get paid again to keep the good parts. Now, let's stack another one on top. Number 2, rent out your back and hands today. Somebody near you needs muscle right now. And here's the thing you forget when you're broke. A strong, reliable guy who shows up is worth money every single day. People always need help moving a couch, unloading a truck, or clearing out a garage. How about tearing down an old deck? Today, not next month. And you post one thing tonight on Marketplace. Available this weekend, hauling, moving, demo, cleanup, strong back, own truck, cash jobs. That's it. Charged by the job or $40 and $50 an hour. An afternoon of hauling somebody else's garbage to the dump is $200 or $300 the same day. There's labor gig apps too if you want them. They'll have you on the job the same day. But honestly, a post on Marketplace or Nextdoor keeps the whole cut in your pocket. Time this one smart, like the end of the month or the first of the month. Everybody's moving then, and that's when they need a strong guy today and the post explodes. Answer the ones already up before you even post your own, and tell every person you help the same line on the way out. If you know anybody else who needs a hand this week, send them my way. 1 moving job becomes 3 by Sunday. And one safety word here because I tell my own kids this. You're going to strangers' houses. Meet in the daylight when you can. Tell somebody where you're headed and trust your gut. If a job feels off, just walk. there's always another one. There's no skill required, no tools required, and cash the same day. This is the floor. Now, let's take a climb. All right, real quick, guys, because this is how a lot of people are now diversifying their retirement plan. Check this out. You know, one thing I've learned after decades of working around hardworking people, most folks aren't afraid of putting in the work. They'll spend 30 or 40 years building a career, saving for retirement, and trying to do everything the right way. But here's the part a lot of people put off: making sure all of that hard work is actually protected. Because the reality is, most retirement accounts are still heavily tied to the stock market. So when the market takes a hit, your retirement could take one too. Now, I'm not saying you should move everything, that's a personal decision. But a lot of people are at least looking into whether having a portion of the retirement backed by physical gold makes sense. That's why I partnered with Augusta Precious Metals. What I like is they don't press you into anything. They take the time to explain how a gold IRA works. They answer your questions and help you decide whether it's a fit for you in your own situation. If you've been thinking about protecting what you've spent a lifetime building but just haven't looked into it yet, now's probably a good time to get informed. Click the link down in my description or text JV Charles to 35052 to get Augusta's free guide. I've done my homework on Augusta before recommending them, guys. They are the best overall gold IRA company 4 years running, and that's why I'm comfortable pointing you in their direction. Learn how it works, ask your questions, and make the decision that's right for you. All right, back to work. Number 3, pick the tool you already own that fits the season and go knock a whole street. This is the oldest hustle there is, and it still works because everybody's too shy to do it. You won't be. That's your edge. Look at the season it is and grab what's already in your garage. If it's the fall, it's a rake or blower, leaf cleanup. Winter, a shovel, driveway and walks. Summer, a mower, or a bucket and squeegee for windows. Then you pick one street and you knock on every door. I'm doing driveways on the block today, $25. I can do yours right now. Half of them are going to say no. You don't care. You're playing the numbers. Knock 20 doors, land 6, and that's your day. Here's how you knock so you don't look creepy. Just stand back from the door, be in a work shirt, and keep it short. Afternoon, I'm cleaning driveways on the street today. I saw yours could use it. $25 and I'll knock it out right now. Smile, then wait. And let them talk. Point at the work you already did 2 houses down. That's mine down there, and nothing sells like proof they can see from their own porch. 6 driveways at $40 is $240. Cash in an afternoon with a tool you already had and gas money. And here's the part that pays later. You just met 6 neighbors. Do a good job today, and 2 of them become regulars. They'll talk about you at the end. This has 0 startup, same-day cash, and a customer list you didn't have this morning. Now, number 4. Let's be real for a second. With just those 3, you can make rent this week. Full stop. Sell some stuff tonight, do a day of labor, knock a street this weekend. That's your bill covered probably. You could close this video right now and go handle business. And if that's what you want to do, then go do it. I mean, go make the money. But if you got a couple more minutes, number 4 pays the most for the least sweat. And number 5 is how you never end up here again. Those 2 are the difference between making rent this week and never sweating rent again. So stick with me. All right, number 4. And this is the one you forget when you're panicking. You're not just a strong back, you're skilled. When rent's due, guys reach for their lowest paid work first. The hauling, the raking, and that's fine to start. But you've got a skill that pays double, and you're sitting on it. If you're a blue-collar guy, you can hang a TV, assemble the furniture nobody can read the instructions for. How about fix the gate, patch the wall, swap the light fixture, put the crib together? Normal people can't do that, and they've got a honey-do list a mile long and money to pay for it. Here's the move that makes it fast. You post tonight with urgency. Same-day handyman, TV mounting assembly, small repairs, hauling, booking today and tomorrow only. Cash. That word today only makes people who've been putting it off finally pull the trigger. You'll wake up to messages. A TV mount is $100 for 40 minutes. 3 or 4 little jobs like that in a day is $300 or $400 for work that barely makes you break a sweat. Chase the ones that pay most per minute. TV mounts, smart lock and doorbell installs, ceiling fan swaps, furniture assembly. All quick, all $100 or better. All stuff people are scared to touch. And bundle it up together. When you're there for the TV, hey, you want me to assemble that bookshelf while I've got my tools out? 1 trip, 2 jobs, doubles the money for the same gas. That's why it's number 4. Same day cash, top dollar, and you're using the exact hands you've spent years building. Don't leave that money on the table because you forgot it was yours. That's rent handled, doing what you already are good at. Now, the one that actually matters in my opinion, number 5. This is the one I wish someone had told me back when I was staring at that Home Depot bill. Don't stop when rent's covered. Here's what happens to most guys. They panic, they scramble, they make the rent, and then they quit. And 3 months later, another dry week hits, and they're right back there panicking again. Break that cycle. Take just one of these 4 things we talked about and turn it into something that repeats. Those 6 neighbors whose driveways you did, ask 2 of them if they want it done every couple weeks. Now you've got some regulars. That same day handyman post, keep it up. Turn the one-time customers into the people that you call first. Turn that one-time customers into the people who call you first. You're not trying to build an empire overnight. You're building one thing, a small, steady buffer. A few $100 a month that shows up no matter what the haul is doing. No matter if it's raining outside and you lose a day. Because the money isn't even the real prize. It's the peace. It's not lying awake doing the math on a slow week. It's knowing you've always got a way to make a few $100 when you need it the most. To make rent this week or pay your mortgage this month. Then build the thing that means you never have to make this search again. That's the whole plan. So let me finish my story. It ends better than it started. I made that payment off my 2 hands that week, and I never forgot the feeling of being that short. So I built the buffer, and a dry week at the hall never scared me the same way it did again. That's what I want for you. Not just rent this week, though get that first. I want you to never feel that particular kind of scared again. You've got the hands, you've got the phone, you've got a whole neighborhood that needs something done. The only thing between you and the money is walking out the door and asking. So there's your plan, fellas. Cash this week, fastest first. Get paid twice to haul the heavy stuff. Rent out your hands. Knock a street. Sell your actual trade same day. And then build the buffer so you're never back here again. Everyone starts with no money down and the phone that's in your pocket. You could post the first one before this video is even over. Do that, and next Friday it doesn't feel like a threat. It feels like just another day you've already handled. Now, once you're past this week, the real question is which of these you turn into steady money, and how do you go from scrambling to booked out? I break the whole thing down here on JV Charles TV. Make sure and check out the 2 videos I recommend on the end screen. Now go make your money, fellas. I'm JV. Thanks for checking out the video.